today, I'm Erica Gonzalez, a full-time housewife with 2 kids. Nauso na ngayon kumita through social media. Scroll up and scroll down lang ang gagawin natin sa social media. Kung pwede naman tayo kumita sa pamamagitan ng ating mobile phone. Simula ka ng sarili mong online travel and tours business, mong income ang hilig mong mag-post at mag-share. Again, Erica Gonzalez, direct message me on my Facebook account.
Hi, this is Micaela Marie Gonzalez, isang full-time housewife.
Go.
Bakit nga ba maganda ang isang travel and tours business?
Go.
Mas madali at mabilis na booking, mas less na abala at stress. Hindi mo na kailangan ng physical store. 24/7 ang customer support at travel assistance.
Go.
Kaya kung isa ka sa gustong sumubok ng online travel and tours business, huwag kang mahiyang magtanong dahil tuturuan kita kung paano. Again, this is Micaela Marie Gonzalez, your franchise officer.